Hello, good morning guys. Today we will be reviewing this hotel called KSL Hotel in Johor Bahru. It's a 5-star hotel. This is the price in booking. The location of this hotel is very nearby this holiday plaza, and it has very nice facilities according to the photo, as you can see over here. And this is the lobby. I will be reviewing KSL room number 17 at level 17. This is a premier room with deluxe king bed, and this room is second last at the end of the corridor. This room has basic necessities such as TV, fridge, and a very huge king size bed. Okay, this is the pantry, very basic. Here you can see the TV with a lot of local channels, however not much of a movie, so please bring your Netflix if you want to see some nice movies. The bed for one person is a bit too big for me. International plugs is all around the room. However, the room is a bit dark during the night time, so if you like some reading, please bring some reading lights with you, or you can request from the hotel. Very basic hanger. The toilet is a sitting toilet with a standing shower. Okay, hot and cold water is available with basic shampoo and bath gel. Since I'm working here these few days, staying in this hotel, I have no time to enjoy the facilities available, such as the pools, the gym, and all sorts. So I will add some photos for you to see, to enjoy the scene. If you're coming with a family, I think this is a good place to be. However, the breakfast is so-so, I think. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. This will give me some encouragement to do further and better videos. Thank you.